Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to see you again. How are you today, Leo?
I'm doing great, Charlotte. I am dreaming of a vacation. I want to travel.
Traveling is wonderful. But sometimes, traveling can be stressful, especially when you need to take a taxi in a new country.
That is true. You arrive at the airport, you have your bags, you are tired, and you need to speak English to the driver.
It is a very common situation. So, today we are going to help you. The topic of this episode is in the taxi.
We will teach you the essential words and phrases to get to your hotel safely and calmly.
Do not worry. It is easier than you think. Imagine you are in the taxi. You are comfortable. Let's start.
The first thing the driver will ask you is, where are you going?
And you need to give him the location. This brings us to our first key word. The word is address.
Address. A-D-D-R-E-S-S.
The address is the specific location of a building. It usually has a number and a street name.
For example, 10 Downing Street is an address, or 55 Broadway.
When you get in the taxi, you can show the driver your phone and say the address.
Let's look at 3 examples of how to use this word. Example 1. What is the address of the hotel?
Example 2. My address is 20 Park Avenue.
Example 3. Please take me to this address.
Now, listener, I want you to practice. Repeat after me. Address.
One more time. Speak clearly. Address.
Perfect. Now the driver knows where to go. But sometimes the driver needs help. Or maybe you want to give specific directions. You need to know directions. The most common directions are left and right. But there is a verb we use to change direction. This is our second key word. To turn.
To turn. T-U-R-N.
This means to change the direction of the car. We usually say turn left or turn right.
Left is the side of your heart. Right is the other side.
Let's practice the verb turn. Imagine you are in the car.
Example 1. Please turn left here.
Example 2. Turn right at the corner.
Example 3. Do not turn yet.
Now it is your turn to speak. Repeat after me. To turn.
Turn left, turn right.
Excellent. You are doing a great job.
Now, what if you do not want to turn? What if you want to continue in the same direction?
Then you need our third key word. The word is straight.
Straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T.
This spelling is a little difficult.
Yes, it has G-H-T at the end, but the pronunciation is simple. Straight, like the number 8. Straight.
Straight means to go forward. Do not turn left. Do not turn right. Just go forward.
We often say go straight or go straight ahead.
Let's look at examples. Example 1. Go straight for 2 blocks.
Example 2. The hotel is straight ahead.
Example 3. Please go straight.
Now, practice this word. It is very useful. Repeat after me. Straight.
Again, straight.
Very good. So now you can say, turn left, turn right, and go straight.
We are getting close to the hotel, but maybe you see the hotel and the driver does not see it. You want to tell him to stop.
Yes, you need to be polite but clear. This brings us to our fourth keyword. It is a verb, to stop.
To stop. S-T-O-P.
This means to end the movement, to not move anymore.
When you arrive, you tell the driver to stop.
Let's give some examples. Example 1. Please stop here.
Example 2. Can you stop at the corner?
Example 3. The taxi stopped in front of the hotel.
Listener, Please repeat after me. To stop.
Once more, stop.
Great. Now the taxi has stopped. You are at the hotel. What is the last thing you need to do?
You need to pay the driver.
Exactly. And you need to ask for the price. This is our fifth key phrase. It is 2 words. How much?
How much? Howmuch.
We use how much to ask about the cost or the price of something.
You can ask, how much is it? Or, how much is the ride?
It is very important to know this phrase for shopping, too.
Let's look at examples. Example 1. How much is the trip?
Example 2. How much do I owe you?
Example 3. How much is a taxi to the airport?
Now, practice asking this question. Repeat after me. How much?
Say it with confidence. How much?
Perfect. You are ready to take a taxi in New York or London or Sydney.
Before we finish, let's review what we learned today.
We learned address, the place where you want to go.
We learned to turn left or turn right.
We learned straight, go forward.
We learned to stop when you arrive.
And we learned how much, to pay for the taxi.
Charlotte, do you have a motivational phrase for us today?
Yes, I do. This phrase is about traveling and life.
What is it?
The phrase is enjoy the ride, not just the destination.
Oh, I like that. Enjoy the ride, not just the destination.
It means that the process is important. Learning English is a journey. It is a ride.
Sometimes we only think about the result. We want to be fluent immediately.
But you should enjoy learning today. Enjoy this episode. Enjoy the practice.
Exactly. Don't worry if you make mistakes. It is part of the ride.
You are doing great. Keep practicing these words.
Next time you're in a car, practice giving directions in English, even if you're alone.
That is a great idea. Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
See you in the next episode. Have a safe trip.
Goodbye, everyone.